Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to log in to the MilesWeb affiliate account? Open our website milesweb.com, scroll down to footer and click on the affiliate link. Now click on login here. Enter the username and password that you have used during the sign up process. Click on login to my account and you will see the MilesWeb affiliate dashboard. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your affiliate queries.